all, welcome back to the SBD Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with part 2 of my Korean skincare haul from Jolse, and I'll also put the detailed video on how to access Jolse and how to buy products maybe in this or next video. Stay tuned for that. And I also have some coupon codes which I can put down below. If I have it still active, I'll put that code which you can benefit from. But I have products in this. I have already done first video. If you're not watched it, I'll put that link here or in the description box. Go and check. And this is my part 2. As I mentioned in my part 1, I have bought products which are like lot of discounted products when there was sale going on. Only then I picked it up, and I wanted to pick a few products which are most raved and famous brands. So without further ado, let's just start it. So the first one I picked up is this Time Revolution. This is the treatment essence. This is very famous. I've heard a lot of good things about Time Revolution brand, and this is the first treatment essence which is intensive moist. It has Himalaya purple barley in it, and it is 150 ml of products. It is a highly concentrated essential essence for the first step of skincare, containing purple barley and fermented germale yeast to recover skin balance and basic ability of skin by raising skin moisture from deep inside of the skin. And this is helpful in, let me open it. It's a huge bottle of glass which is really pretty. So this is how it is, and this is wrinkle repairing and whitening cosmetic. So I'm so excited. It has topper here, so I'm excited to try this. This is the Missha brand, which is a Time Revolution Missha. So it's Missha, you can see it's from Missha, and I've heard a lot of good things about this brand Missha, and I'm excited. It's a luxury brand, so I'm excited, and I'm happy that I got a huge discount on it. And also I've picked up one more product from Missha. This is a Perfect Cover BB cream, and I've heard good reviews about this from one of my friend called Priyanka. So I picked this up. This is a SPF 42 PA+++. It's in the shade number 27, and the packaging is very cute. You know, you have the pump here and you get the product out. I'm very not sure if it matches my skin tone. It's teeny bit dark, but it's okay. It smells like Pond's. You can see I just applied here. I think it's teeny bit dark, but it's fine. I can make use of it. So this is the BB cream. How it smells of Pond's BB cream. I love it. So yes, I'm excited to try this one. It's a 50 ml product, and it is a raved product again. Is from Missha again. This is the Night Repair Borabit Ampoule Missha, and I've never tried any ampules. I think it's kind of serum, but let me see. So it's 4 times of ferment lactobacillus complex containing purple energy, and this is how the Night Repair Ampules. It's so pretty in this purple packaging. This is how the packaging is. It says this is an it's highly concentrated essential ampule to help your skin make sleek and firm, and it's also helpful for toning and improving your skin condition. So I'm excited to try this one. It's a big bottle of 50 ml, and yes, I am excited to try this, and I will do a detailed review on Missha products. And the next 2 things I picked up are from the brand called Skin&Lab, and this one is Dr. Color Effect Red Serum. Revitalizes skin with pomegranate high concentrate. Especially in anti-aging, pomegranate really makes a lot of difference. So I want to try this one. It's expensive, but I got in a good deal, so that's the reason I picked up. It's a 40 ml packet product. I got this one, which is the again Skin from Lab. This is a Dr. Color Effect Red Cream, which rejuvenates skin with 1,000,000 Damascus roses, and Damascus roses special roses, and this contains precious oil from 1,000,000 Damascus rose and phyto red complex. This is a red cream. The packaging is cute though. So this is how the packaging is. It's sealed. I do not want to open unless I want to start using it. They all come with good, shelf life. It's still 2021 April. And then I got again one more product from Skin&Lab, which is Dr. Po Tightening Pink Clay Facial Mask. I've seen so many good reviews. I picked up products only with good reviews, and certain products which I felt I want to try. A scoop here, and then this is the product. It's so cute. So this is the pink clay facial mask with brightening, purifying and pore refining treatment with French pink clay and pink flower complex. So I'm excited to try this one as well. And I think it's just a facial clay mask, how you use it. And then I picked up from Innisfree. I normally pick up Innisfree products from Ministry World or Nykaa, but they had good sale on this, and I have been eyeing for this one from longest time. This is their Jeju Lava Seawater Intense Ampoule. It's a moisture boosting anti-aging formula formulated with Jeju Lava seawater that activates skin hydration energy to firm and smooth skin. So this is how it is, and but I want to also try ampoule and introduce it in my skincare regime. The next thing, and I think this is the last thing I picked up myself, is this Elizavecca Gold CF Nest White Balm Eye Cream. It's a 30 ml product. Eye cream, without an eye cream my skincare haul is never complete, you know, and it's really cute. It has little pigs on it, so it's nice. I'm not a fan of pigs actually, but when I was in US, one of my colleagues' niece loves pig, and she had, like, you know, all the dresses with has pig on top of it, and oh my god, it was so nice. So it's the last one, and I have couple of samples here. As you know, Korean brands always send samples. I think I got this, or I got this in free, I don't know. These are Baby Pet Magic Sheet Mask, which is Holika, which are whitening seal. I have 3 of these packages. 3 of this charcoal nose cleansing strips, and then this spot whitening Vita. This is Dr. Belmore's hydrator, and Dr. Belmore's foam cleansing mucin, and this is Macu Berry antioxidant from Wonder, and then Luminous Goddess Aura Foundation Tony Moly, and again a moisturizer, and green tea watery cream from Choc, and again from this one, couple of blotting papers from Jolse. Whenever you make an order, they send this blotting papers. And I think I have too many samples, again from Choc, and this is from Wonder. This is spot whitening cream and blotting papers. All I picked up, and I'm like so excited to try everything. This is all I picked up from Jolse during different sales, and I hope you like this video. If you have tried any of the products, let me know, and I'll start using these products one by one, and I'll do a detailed review on those. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram, where I review most of the products, and also hit that small ting tong bell where you can get notifications. I have been doing a couple of other reviews, so don't forget to check that out as well. Thank you so much if you have been staying, if you have been watching the video till this end. So thank you all, appreciate it, love you, take care, talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.